And straight. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिधदुर्षयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are in those beautiful last 10 dashakas. The journey had commenced. We have finished the first dashakam out of it. We are in the second dashakam out of the last 10. In the second dashakam, we have seen first 3 shlokas, right? First 3 we have done. So, in this 92nd dashakam, the Karma Mishra Bhakti Swarupa is saying. So first in the 91st, we entered through the pure Bhakti. Now Karma Mishra Bhakti. 3 verses are over. In the first verse, we saw that whatever is being told by Veda, Vedai Sarvani Karmani, we know the benefit of that, but I don't want to limit to that benefit. I want to offer all that to you, by which Vaishkarmya Isha, so that I will not get bound by that action. So I want to do Veda Vihita Karmas. I would do that, but not only for the benefit of getting the phala of that, but beyond that. So I'll offer that also, so that I become Naishkarmya. First 2 lines. And then in the second, but because of my vasana pressure, I might do some Veda Nihita karma, something Veda said don't do. But let us say if I have done even that, that also I will offer it to you. So if it is, means by some unavoidable force I have done, let me also offer that to you. Arpaye Chit Prakashe, I offer that also to you. So it means forbidden karmas if it is done. First verse over. In the second verse, I will worship you, O Lord, not just in your Nirguna Nirakara, but in the other way also, Karma Yoga way also. That means making your murti out of mrudi, out of mud, out of drushadi, out of stone. In my heart, I will invoke you. And over there, let me offer you pushpa, gandha, nivedya. So I will do puja with all that with you. And I would seek your grace, Tvat Prasadam Bhajeyam, through that aspect. In the third verse, we have seen that Stri, Shudra, and all others who are not so eligible to hear you or not so very lucky enough to do your seva or hear you, to them, I'm not saying like, okay, they are dayarha, first line, last word. They are dayarha, that they are eligible for having some sympathy, pity, or anything. But it is really very shocking. Hanta, Shochami, Ashantan, with the dvijas, with who are capable of receiving your knowledge, who having been capability of receiving also your knowledge are not putting it to use. Oh Lord, Tadrusha ma kritha mam. Don't make me like that is in the third verse. So those who are not able to do, okay, we can pity them, sympathy them, we can. But those who are able to do and they are not doing, like that condition, you please don't do on me. So like this much we have seen. We are going on the fourth verse. Kids have not joined today, right? Any of the kids are there? No. Adults, please raise your hand. Why my hand is raised? I think when I do my hand signs, it automatically raises, I guess. So it recognizes. Okay, let us start. Sumanaji, number 4. पापोऽयं कृष्णरामेत्यभिलपति निजं गूहितुं दुश्चरित्रम्
पापोऽयं कृष्णरामेत्यभिलपति निजं गूहितुं दुश्चरित्रम्
निर्लज्जस्यास्य वाचा बहुतरकथनीयानि मे विघ्नितानि।
निर्लज्जस्यास्य वाचा बहुतरकथनीयानि मे विघ्नितानि
भ्राता मे बन्ध्यशीलो भजति किल सदा विष्णुमित्थं बुधांस्ते।
भ्राता मे वन्ध्यशीलो भजति किल सदा विष्णुमित्थं बुधांस्ते
निन्दन्त्युच्चैर्हसन्ति त्वयि निहितमतींस्तादृशं मा कृथा माम्. So तादृशं मा कृथा माम्, that phrase has repeated.
निन्दन्त्युच्चैर्हसन्ति त्वयि निहितमतींस्तादृशं मा कृथा माम् पापोऽयं कृष्णरामेत्यभिलपति निजं गूहितुं दुश्चरित्रम् निर्लज्जस्यास्य वाचा बहुतरकथनीयानि मे विघ्नितानि भ्राता मे वन्ध्यशीलो भजति किल सदा विष्णुमित्थं बुधांस्ते निन्दन्त्युच्चैर्हसन्ति त्वयि निहितमतींस्तादृशं मा कृता माम्
Tadrisha ma kritha ma. Don't make me like that. Don't make me like who? So, uh, one scene is being said. Okay. Papo yam means I am papaha. So, this is one sinful person. Krishna Rameti Abhilapati. Yanusandhi. Krishna, he keeps on saying Krishna and Rama. Huh? Nija Guhitum Duscharitra. Duscharitra, bad conduct. And Nija Guhitum means his own bad conduct. Guhitum, to hide and keep. He is saying Krishna and Rama. And this Nirlajjasya, this shameless, Asya, this Nirlajjasya, Vacha, means that one who is saying like this is Vacha. He so his speech of this Nirlajja, the shameless person, Bahutara Kathaniyani, me Vignitani. I want to say so many things, but this papi person is keeping on saying Rama and Krishna are not able to say anything. And then Bhrata me, my brother, Vandhya Shilaha, he is into bad activities in vain. Bhajati Kila Sada, and always saying this, that Vishnu Mitham Budhamste, pretending that he is worshipping Vishnu Bhagavan. So Nindanti, like this, Nindanti means making fun, Uchchai Hasanti, and laughing out loudly, and ridiculing, Nihita Matim. So on a wise person, on a Santa Mahatma, this person is ridiculing that this Sant Mahatma is pretending to be Vishnu Bhakta. This Sant Mahatma is a sinful person, and just because he wants to cover his bad act, he's saying Krishna Rama. Like this, a papi is saying, a bad conduct person is saying, seeing a wise person, that this wise person is bluffing others, pretending to be a Vishnu Bhakta. So, like this kind of people, please don't make me. Means to utter bad about Sant Mahatma is not nice. And thinking that, and sometimes this kind of behavior we also do. Huh? God alone knows he is right or wrong, which Swami is good, which Swami is not. How are we judging? Where have we reached? And we ridicule Swamijis, we ridicule sannyasis in our talks. We have done this. So there is no difference between. So now we have told, see, an example is given that we should not ridicule. We don't know at what position. And always a sannyasi, Sant Mahatma may not be dressed in a saffron clothing also. So who is showing bhakti in which way? We do not know, we should not judge it. From our mouth, such thing, bad thing should not come. In our head also, that thought should not cross. अरे ये कोई भोंदू बाबा है क्या? Like this, we are made to think by whom? By the media people who expose, thinking that they are exposing our Shankaracharyas and all and ridiculing them on the TV. We also begin to ridicule. This we should not do. So it is our prime duty as a Hindu that come what may, come what media may show, our sannyasi babas, we don't say, whoever can become a sannyasi and fooling people. Let them show what they have to in our head, in our mouth, in our action. We will have always that conviction that our sannyasis are sannyasis. We don't have to get into it. That the prayer is like that. Tadrusham ma prathama. Let me not be like those news channels, who are wanting those TRPs and they create some sensational news. And then they trap these babas under wrong pretext. And which babas they trap? Those babas who are having strong hold in their locality, who prevent conversion, who hold the Hindus together. They make stories against them. We should be very alert. From our mouth, we should not criticize our own house. Whichever, whether we know or whether we don't know. Respect to that sannyasi. Maybe the sannyasi is not also at respect. So, sadrusha ma kritha ma, please don't make me like that Bombay, that sadhu hatya. That sadhu goes into the police station. Help me, they are killing me, they say. The video is out, the policeman is bringing the sadhu and giving it to the mob, and the mob has lynched and killed the sadhu. The photo of that sadhu baba is on TV now. He is sitting at the peaceful, head and all broken and bleeding, but he is at his peace. We should not do that. Such a strong phrase. While reading this, we will think of it somebody else's story, but this is our story because seeing the news and the way it is getting conditioned, we also get tended, or we get this tendency of ridiculing our babas. We should not do. पापोऽयं कृष्णरामेत्यभिलपति निजं गूहितुं दुश्चरित्रं निर्लज्जस्यास्य वाचा बहुतरकथनीयानि मे विघ्नितानि भ्राता मे वन्ध्यशीलो भजति किल सदा विष्णुमित्थं बुधांस्ते निन्दन्त्युच्चैर्हसन्ति त्वयि निहितमतीं तादृशं ma kritha ma. Number 5. श्वेतच्छायं कृते त्वा मुनिवरवपुषं प्रीणयन्ते तपोभिः
श्वेतच्छायं कृते त्वा मुनिवरवपुषं प्रीणयन्ते तपोभिः
त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्यङ्कितमरुणतनुयज्ञरूपं यजन्ते
त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्य. That's a bit tricky. Can you do it again for me?
त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्य अंकित सृक्सृवादि अंकितम् सृक्सृवा.
Okay. त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्यङ्कितमरुणतनुं यज्ञरूपं यजन्ते.
Correct. सेवन्ते तन्त्रमार्गैर्विलसदरिगदं द्वापरे श्यामलाङ्गम्
सेवन्ते तन्त्रमार्गैर्विलसदरिगदं द्वापरे श्यामलाङ्गम्
नीलं सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैरिह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते
नीलं सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैरिह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते श्वेतच्छायं कृते त्वामुनिवरवपुषं प्रीणयन्ते तपोभिः त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्यङ्कितमरुणतनुं यज्ञरूपं यजन्ते सेवन्ते तन्त्रमार्गैर्विलसदरिगदं द्वापरे श्यामलाङ्गम् नीलं सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैरिह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते.
So now this verse is depicting in the 4 yugas which how Lord is worshipped in 4 different ways. That is, in 4 lines, 4 yugas are covered. One line per each yuga, one way the Lord is invoked. So Shweta Chayam. Shweta Chayam, very nice, white and shining. Krute, in Kruta Yuga. Tvam, to you. Munivara Vapusham, in the form of a Muni. In the form of great Muni, you've been Prinayante. You've been worshipped like that by Tapobhihi, by tapas. By tapas, you've been worshipped in Kruta Yuga as a white-cladded sage, white-cladded rishi. Rishi in a white claddings. Tretayam, in Treta Yuga, Sruk, Sruvadi, Ankitam. Sruk, Sruva is especially for the Yajna karmas. So, in the Yajna karmas, it is used. And how? Aruna Tanum, red body, and Yajna Rupa. You are in the form of Yajna that time, and they are performing Yajnas because your form that time is in Yajna Rupa. So we know Lord like a Chaturbhuja, but over there in Treta Yuga, Lord is in the form of Yajna Rupa. Number 3, Sevante, doing seva, how? Tantra Margaihi, by Tantra Marga, Vilasadari Gadam, Ari Chakra, discuss. Sudarshan Chakra. Ari Gadam. Gadam is Gada. Tantra Margaihi, by the tantric ways, you've been worshipped. Dwapare. And how you are? That time you are Shyamalanga, dark complexion. And then in the last line, Neelam. Now you are in the blue complexion. Sankirtanadhyay, by all the Sankirtana, by all the Nama Japa, by in Kali Samaye, at the time of Kali, Manushastva Bhajante, human beings, Manusha. So, not that Lord is in a Manusha form, people worship you in this. Okay, so Kruta, white, sage. Treta, red, Yajna Rupa. Dwapara, dark complexion with Aryan Gada. And in Kali Samaya, blue complexion with Namarupa. This is how Lord was worshipped or Lord is worshipped in different yugas. श्वेतच्छायं कृते त्वामुनिवरवपुषं प्रीणयन्ते तपोभिः त्रेतायां सृक्सृवाद्यङ्कितमरुणतनुं यज्ञरूपं यजन्ते सेवन्ते तन्त्रमार्गैर्विलसदरिगदन् द्वापरे श्यामलाङ्गम् नीलं सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैरिह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते. Number 6. Radha Krishnan ji. सोऽयं कालेय कालो जयति मुररिपो यत्र सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैः
तोयं कालेय कालो जयति मुररिपो यत्र सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैः
निर्यत्नैरेव मार्गैरखिलदनचिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते
निर्यत्नैरेव मार्गैरखिलधनचिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते
जातास्त्रेता कृतादावपि हि किल कलौ सम्भवं कामयन्ते
जातास्त्रेता कृतादावपि किल कलौ सम्भवं कामयन्ते
दैवात्तत्रैव जातान् विषयविषरसैर्मा विभो वञ्चयास्मान्
दैवात् तत्रैव जातान् विषयविषरसौ विषरसैर्मा विभो वञ्चयास्मान् सोऽयं कालेयकालो जयति मुररिपो यत्र सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैः निर्यत्नैरेव मार्गैरखिलधनचिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते जातास्त्रेता कृतादावपि किल कलौ सम्भवं कामयन्ते दैवात् तत्रैव जातान् विषयरसैर्मा विभो वञ्चयास्मान्.
So now this Kali Yuga's Mahatmyam Venam, Kali Yuga's, the best what would help us out, Trata, is the Nama Japa. So the glory of the Nama Japa has been told in this verse. Saha ayam, this. Kaleya kalaha jayati. Kaleya kalaha jayati, this Kali Yuga Kala is victorious, this Kali Yuga Kala. Muraripo, O Lord, means the Lord who has killed Mura, means Lord is called Muraripo. Yatra, over here, it means where in Kali Yuga, Sankirtanadhyaihi. By Sankirtana, etc. By doing Sankirtana, Nama Japa, Nama Sankirtana, and how? Niryatnaihi eva margaihi. Niryatna. Yatna is a lot of tries, a lot of struggle. Niryatna means without any struggle. So in this Kali Yuga, without any struggle, this marga or Akhilada. Akhilada is again addressed to the Lord. Akhila, the is giver, giver of Akhila. One who is fulfilling all the desires. So how Muraripo is Sambodhan addressed to the Lord, like that Akhilada is addressed to the Lord. Oh, the Lord who is a fulfiller or giver of all the desires. Na chirat, without any delay. This Nama Sankirtana, Niryatna, na chirat, Tvat prasadam bhajante. So people, Tvat prasadam, your prasada, that means your krupa, people get very easily in this yuga. Jataha treta krutadau api. In Treta Yuga, in Kruta Yuga, Jataha, those who are born over there, they, Kalau Sambhavam Kamayante, they wish to be born in Kali Yuga. Those who are born in the previous yugas, they desire that their life, they should get a birth in Kali Yuga. Daivat tatraiva jatan. So, Vishaya rasahi ma vibho vanchayasman. So now by luck, we are already born in this. Then what you should do, you should Vishaya rasa. Vishaya rasa is Vishaya Visharasa, that not only Vishaya rasa. Vishaya rasa is the sense or sense object pleasure. But that sense object pleasure is Visharasa, that poisonous enjoyment for the sense objects. Ma, don't give us. Where is us written over here? Vanchaya asman. Ma vanchaya asman. Don't delude us by putting us behind some sense organ. We have now, by chance, we have got Janma in this Kali Yuga. May our mind, niryatna, without any much effort, let us engage into Namajapa of the Lord, because that is the only marga which we can win Lord over easily without. Just imagine standing in one leg in Himalayas in that cold ice. Are we able to? So many big yajnas, we have to go and fetch so many things, some rare things also too. Are we able to? Just think. We can sit at the comfort in our house on the sofa in one AC chamber and do, right, our nama, right? So, niryatna. And by this method, nachirat, he is tvat prasadam bhajante. Your grace comes very easily and not with a delay that 100 years tapas is done and 1,000 years tapas is done. We hear in those stories, right? So in this Kali Yuga, it is Kshipra Prasada by a nama. So Ma Vanchaya, don't send us behind Vishaya Visharasa. It's not only Vishaya Rasa. No? Vishaya Visharasa, that poisonous sense objects, don't send us behind that. सोऽयं काले यकाल जयति मुररिपो यत्र सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैः निर्यत्नैरेव मार्गैरखिलदनचिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते जातास्त्रेता कृतादावपि किल कलौ सम्भवं कामयन्ते दैवा तत्रैव जातान् विषय विशरसैर्मा विभो वञ्चयस्मा. Us is being said. Sman, plural. Okay. Lalita. Number 7. भक्तास्तावत् कलौ स्युर्द्रमिलभुवि ततो भूरिशस्तत्र चोच्चैः
भक्तास्तावत् कलौ स्युर्द्रमि भक्तास्तावत् कलौ. Can you repeat?
Yes. Bhaktas tavat kalau syur dramila bhuvi tato bhurishas tatra chochaihi.
भक्तास्तावत् कलौ स्युर्द्रमिलभुवि ततो भूरिशस्तत्र चोच्चैः.
Perfect. कावेरीं ताम्रपर्णीम् अनुकिल कृतमालाञ्च पुण्यां प्रतीचीम्.
कावेरीं ताम्रपर्णीं मनुकिल कृतमालाञ्च पुण्यां प्रतीचीम्.
हामामप्येतदन्तर्भवमपि च विभो किञ्चिदञ्चद्रसन्त्वम् किञ्चिदञ्चद्रसन्त्वयि.
त्वयि हामामप्येतदन्तर्भवमपि च विभो किञ्चिदञ्चद्रसन्त्वयि.
Correct. Tvai. E, Hasva, Ikara, Ya, and Hasva, Iki Matra. The Ya is gone. Balance. Asha Pashair Nibadhya Brahmayana Bhagavan Puraya Tvannisheva.
आशापाशैर्निबध्य प्रमयमग्न भगवन्
Nibadhya. The Badhya Bha is a Dvitva, means. So in the half, Bha will come extra, not the. Nibadhya.
आशापाशैर्निबध्य भ्रमयन् भगवन् पूरयन् त्वन्निषेवाम्. भक्तास्तावत् कलौ स्युर्द्रमिलभुवि ततो भूरिशस्तत्र चोच्चैः. कावेरीं ताम्रपर्णीम् अनुकिल कृतमालाञ्च पुण्यां प्रतीचीम्. हामामप्येतदन्तर्भवमपि च विभो किञ्चिदञ्चद्रसं त्वं त्वयि आशापाशैर्निबध्य भ्रमयन भगवन् पूरय त्वन्निषेवाम्.
Tvaya, write over there and keep. Later on, we will not remember. Sometimes, no, when we are reading fast, that is y or a m, or a bh or a g. Sometimes the eyes don't see because we have not said it. So most of the times the chanting happens in an automatic mode because we have chanted many times. So towards the end, that many times chanting has not happened. What have been earlier, we've been revised it a lot. So it's good to write and keep because at the time when it is needed, our eyes might get deluded because we'll be in some bhav and we don't see what is there. So it's good to be clear over there, nicely, separately written over there, that tvai word, and asha, is written separately out over there. Okay. So now we begin. Bhaktaha. Oh, my connection went. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Ashaji, you are audible.
Okay, fine. It's your connection. Civil one notification came again. I don't want. Hey, Bhagwan, please. Today let us do it. Okay. Bhaktas tavat kalau. Syuhu. Bhaktaha, devotees. Tavat, so much. Kalau, in the Kali Yuga. Syuhu is there. Syu means isness. There will be many bhaktas in Kali Yuga. And Drumila Bhuvi Tata, in the Dravida Desha, that means in the South Desha, Bhurishaha, there will be many. Tatra Uchaihi. So there will be many in the south, and Uchai, so many of them will be where? On that whole line is giving the names of the rivers. Around that river or in the vicinity of the river. Which all rivers? Kaveri, Tamraparni, Krutamala, Punyam Pratichi, and Pratichi, Punya Pratichi, Neela. So these are the names of the rivers given of South India. And there will be many devotees near that river or besides that river, somewhere they will be there. Ha, Mam, Api, Etad, Antarbhavam. So all the Sandhi Vigrahas, Mam, Api, Etad. So Mam, Api, I am also in this Antarbhavam. I am also included where? In that South India. I am also included over there. O Bibho, O all pervading one. Kinchid, Anchat, Rasam, Tvai. Tvai means in you. Kinchid Anchat Rasam means my devotion in you. Because I am also of this region, some devotion in you I am having. But what help you should do, that is telling in the last line. Asha Pashaihi Nibadhya Brahmayana Bhagavan. Means you don't put me into, or you don't shackle me with desires. Asha Pasha. Pasha is that you are caught up in the net, in the web of Asha. Asha is the desire, and then Brahmayana, and then make me go round and round in the Asha Pasha. Oh Bhagavan, please don't tie me down by the ropes of this Asha, and you make my journey a long cut one longer. Oh Bhagavan, please don't this. Puraya Twan Nivesha Puraya Twan Nisheva. Twan Nishevam Puraya. My devotion to you may be Puraya. Complete it. May I have complete devotion to you. May my surrender to you be full. May I not be, this part-time, night socializing party. Daytime, some satsang in somebody's house for lunch. Again, that is socializing. Okay. It is gone. Very few. What bag you are carrying, which sari you have worn, what jewelry you have wear, what dish you have made and what you have served, how much richness you have and how much richness he is. Which car you have driven, what is there, my God. That also. Asha Pasha Baddha, please don't keep me in Asha Pasha Baddha. Let my devotion to you be complete. We need grace in this. Okay, we can't be sure of our mind, where our mind will go and attach at what time. Nobody can guarantee. How that twist will come, can't guarantee. This much is the guarantee that, oh Lord, I can pray to you. You save me. This is in your hand, oh Lord. You save me. That surrender that you are greater here. My Ichha Shakti doesn't work over here. My senses might drag me somewhere. Huh? This we need grace. We can't be in that pride of I don't have a desire. We can't be. When we will get caught, oh, it's to climb high. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes struggle. You get tired. But to fall so effortlessly, like this in the slide. So all this Asha Pasha and all these things, no, and the ridiculing everything, like this on the slide we will come down. There we need grace. That don't put my attention on, don't give me those objects, let those objects not attract me. Keep me sane and sound in my head where I don't deviate from you. This has to be asked and begged again and again. But we ask what? Job for this, marriage for her, my this, dad this, grandson this, son, daughter-in-law, job. This kind of a thing only we ask. Just see, just scan in the mind what are we asking. Have we ever asked bhakti for the Lord? Have we asked Lord that may attention from you never divert? Have we had that pain in the heart to the Lord that today I have missed the puja? You don't give me this situation, let my puja not be missed. You get it done from me somehow. Have we asked? So we'll have to just scan our own minds and see where Bhattacharya is guiding us through Bhagavad verses, bringing it in a nutshell in Narayana. Bhaktastavat kalau syurdramil. Excuse me. Bhaktastavat kalau syurdramil bhuvi tato bhurishastatra chochaihi कावेरीं ताम्रपर्णीं अनुकिलकृतमालां च पुण्यां प्रतीचीम् हा मामप्येतदन्तर्भवमपि च विभो किञ्चिदञ्चत्र सन्त्वयि आशापा एक्स्क्यूस् मी आशापाशैर्निबध्य भ्रमयन भगवन् पूरयत्वन्निषेवान्. Purayatva is also a Dvitva. Shobhaji. Number 8. Drishtva dharmadruhantam kalimapakaruణam prangmahikshit parikshit. The and the sandhi of the second line, when you open that, it will be ta and a ha. So that ta is a half ta which will go up to parikshit. So right over there, half ta, halanta ta and keep. And down when we start, we will be starting with ha, ha hantum. So please open the sandhi and keep over there.
Drishtva dharmadruhantam kalimapakaruణam prangmahikshit parikshit. Correct.
Hantum vyakrishta khadgopi na vinihatavan saravedi gunaamsha.
Hantum vyakrishta khadgopi na vinihatavan saravedi gunaamshat.
त्वत्सेवाद्याशु सिद्ध्येद सदिहन तथा त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः भीदीर्घ short त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः
त्वत्सेवाद्याशु सिद्ध्येद सदिहन तथा त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः
यत्तु प्रागेव रोगादिभिरपहरते तत्र हा शिक्षयैनम्.
यत्तु
प्रागेव रोगादिभिरपहरते तत्र हा शिक्षयैनम् दृष्ट्वा धर्मद्रुहन्तं कलिमपकरणं प्राङ्महीक्षित् परीक्षित् हन्तुं व्याकृष्टखड्गोऽपि न विनिहतवान् सारवेदी गुणांशात् त्वत्सेवाद्याशु सिद्ध्येदसदिह न तथा त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः यत्तु प्रागेव रोगादिभिरपहरते तत्र हा शिक्षयैनम्.
Very cute verse this is. The way Bhattatiri Ji has played. Let us see. Drishtva, having seen. Dharmadruham. Dharmadruha is one who is against the dharma. Who? Kalim. That Kali. That Kali who is against the dharma. Apakarunam. Apakarunam, not having any karuna. Who? That Kali is not having any karuna. That Kali who is against dharma. Pra means earlier. Prat. So when you open the sandhi, then will become ka. Pra, once upon a time. Mahikshit, Parikshit. Mahikshit, the one who rules, the king. Parikshit. So King Parikshit, earlier King Parikshit, seeing the Kali who is against the dharma and who is not having any karuna, Hantum Vyakrishta Khadgaha Api. Hantum. So Hantum Tumunavya means to do, to kill that Kali, this Mahikshit Parikshit, this King Parikshit, Vyakrishta Khadgaha. He took his Khadga weapon to kill the Kali. But na vinihatavan, but he didn't kill him. Why? Because Saravedi Gunamshat. Because Parikshit realized that Saravedi is, he knew, because he was knowing the essence. Why Kali is having some guna, some gunamsha is there, some positive things are there in Kali. He realized. Who? Parikshit realized. So na vinihitavat. What is that? Tvat sevadi ashu siddhyet. Your worship, Bhattatari Ji is saying to the Lord, Tvat seva, Lord's seva, if we do in Kali Yuga, ashu siddhyet. Ashu means quickly. Siddhyet, you get benefit of it very instantly, very quickly. Na tatha tvatpare cha eshaha bhiruhu. And that's why he cannot do anything bad because he is bhiru. Bhiru means scared. Kali is scared of Bhagavan and Bhagavan's devotees who please Bhagavan. But Yattu, that's because Kali is scared of the devotees of Bhagavan. What Kali does is Prageva. Prageva means before time only. Rogadi bhihi apaharate. He gives diseases to the human beings and takes the human being away in the Kali Yuga. Tatra ha shaikshayainam. Over there, O Lord, you must punish him. Parikshit has wanting to punish, but Parikshit realized that in serving in Kali Yuga, doing devotion, having Bhagwan's Nama Jap is easy. And Siddha, Bhagwan is easily Ashu Siddhyat. Quickly, Bhagwan showers grace. So Kali is scared of these devotees. So before the Nama Japa gets fructified very nicely, because the devotees will be stronger than Kali, Kali gives diseases and he takes away people. So this is not nice of Kali. So Lord, you must punish him for that. Which Parikshit didn't punish. For this particular aspect, because he is taking away your devotees, you please punish Kali. Drishtva dharmadruhantam kalimapakarunam prangmahikshit parikshit. हन्तुं व्याकृष्टखड्गोऽपि न विनिहतवान् सारवेदी गुणांशान् त्वत्सेवाद्याशु सिद्धेदसदिह न तथा त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः यत्तु प्रागेव रोगादिभिरपहरते तत्र का शिक्षयैनम् पुष्पाजी number 9. This is coming from our Dhyana Shloka. गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त
गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त
तालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः
सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः
एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या
एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यैकलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्धाः
प्रवृद्ध्या
तत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या
करेक्ट क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुर्षयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः
क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानित्यभिदधुरयश् क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानित्यभिदधुरशक्यस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यैकलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादात्
एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि
एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादात् प्रवृद्ध्या
त्वत्प्रसादात् नो त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या
एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरयशस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः
न क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधु ऋषयः
ओके क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः
correct good so this is now very familiar verse for us Ganga 1 2 Geeta 3 Gayatri 4 Tulasika Tulasi 5 Gopika Chandana 5 6 Salagrama Abhipuja worship of Salagrama 6 7 7 is where Ekadashi Tatha Ekadashi 7 is Ekadashi and 8 Nama Varanaha Nama Japa Parapurusha O Lord O Supreme Being O Paramatma these etani these ashta 8 api also ayatnani api ayatna without yatna effortless ayatnani api in kali samaye in kali yuga tvat your prasada pravruddhya your kripa is in abundance by doing these 8 things. Worship of Ganga, Gita, Gayatri Japa, Tulasi Puja, Chandanam, Salagrama, Ekadashi Vrata, your Japa. These are 8 ways also in Kali Yuga where your grace comes easily, ayatnani, without any efforts, and pravriddhya, in abundance. And Kshipram Mukti Pradani iti abhidaduhu. So Mukti Pradani iti abhidadhu. Open the sandhi. Who Rushayaha abhidadhu. Rushaya say that Kshipram Mukti Pradani. Immediately, instant, you will get mukti. Liberation is instant by these 8 methods. Therefore, teshu, in them, in these 8 things, mam, to me, sajjayethaha, make me equipped with this. Let me be in line with this. You prepare me for this. All this we have to ask for the Lord. Huh? We have never asked such things for Lord. We have asked only for Nashvara things. We've never asked for our spiritual growth and the things that we need for it. So these are the things that we can ask Lord. So this is 8-fold method to get Lord's affection. And this particular verse can be chanted every day, and we should complement it with some of that action from that 8 we should choose. So this can be our daily prayer to chant also and to absorb in it such that some of it, out of 8, at least one method, if we hold on to something, automatically other methods would come. But to one we should hold, and it should be done every day. It's a daily thing. It can't be because today I'm having time, let me do. It can't be like that. Something which we have taken on a daily basis should be done daily. So then come what may we have to do. Any sankalpa, we pick it up, then we should strive to do it. So initially it will be a striving. Then what happens? Then Lord picks us up. Then Lord gives us that atmosphere where we can just complete our daily sankalpa. But initial should be our wish, our will, and our effort to do. Afterwards, he makes it effortless. But if there is no will in us, and we think, it's not my cup of tea, somebody else is doing, that's fine, we can appreciate from there. But I don't want to struggle when it happens, then we are caught. Then this Asha Pasha Baddha, this Brahmaya and everything will come on us automatically. But this is what we should pray and ask for, Lord. Ganga Gita. Sorry? Somebody said something.
Varshaji, I have a quick question. Sorry. This is Lakshmi. On this verse, the Ganga Gita Gayatri, when it says, what exactly does that mean? I was trying to read the meaning as you're saying. Is
So,
Ganga
worship
Snan
of
or what?
Ganga Snan, Ganga Puja, Ganga Dhyan. So,
Okay,
Ganga
okay.
denotes knowledge.
Okay.
Ganga is not just a river.
Okay, that's what I didn't understand. I mean, I'm trying to read.
Gita is our Bhagavad Gita, which we already have every day, daily Gita. Gayatri Japa, Tulasi Puja. We should have Tulasi at home if we don't have. Worshipping, watering it, doing namaskar for it, chanting it, worshipping Tulasi. Chandana, Gopika Chandana. Chandana, we can take it as use of Chandana. I'm not sure of Chandana Puja. Salagram Abhi Puja. Ekadashi Vrata. Fasting. People are talking of intermittent fasting. Okay. Intermittent fasting is done on a daily basis. But Ekadashi Vrat can be taken, right? But when that Ekadashi comes, oh, I'm fasting. Then I want Sabudana Khichadi. I want potato something. It's fasting, huh? So you eat more than other days you are eating. This fruit, that kheer, that kadhi, this, that, what not. No. Ekadashi fast. Please do Ekadashi fast as fast. Upavasa, staying closer to the God, and nil by mouth. Quiet in the mouth. That has to happen. But So that sabudana takes Lord knows how many days or hours to digest. I'm not sure about it. It's Ayurveda doesn't prescribe it. And Namakarana. Okay. Ganga, Gita. So Lakshmi ji, your question is answered, right?
Yes, thank you.
Ganga, Gita, च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः. To make me sajja, this should be prayer. Okay. Lakshmi ji, your turn on look. What is your time over there?
Oh, it's morning. Today is actually work from home, so I was able to kind of join.
8 in the morning?
8:30.
Number 10. देवर्षीणां पितॄणामपि न पुनर्ऋणी किङ्करो वास भूमन्.
Is that a Dirgha Pitru?
I'm not seeing. You need to tell. I'll just take a picture or zoom it in my phone. Just give me a minute. Yeah. देवर्षीणां पितॄणामपि न पुनर्ऋणी. So we don't do anything for that visarga. किङ्करो वास भूमन्.
देवर्षीणां पितॄणामपि न पुनर्ऋणी किङ्करो वास भूमन्.
योऽसौ सर्वात्मना त्वां शरणमुपगतः सर्वकृत्यानि हित्वा.
योऽसौ सर्वात्मना त्वां शरणमुपगतः सर्वकृत्यानि हित्वा.
तस्योत्पन्नौ विकर्माप्यखिलमपनु करेक्ट तस्योत्पन्नौ विकर्माप्यखिलमपनुदस्येव चित्तस्थितस्त्वम्.
तस्योत्पन्नौ विकर्माप्यखिलमपनुदस्येव चित्तस्थितस्त्वम्.
तन्मे पापोत्थतापान् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि भक्तिं प्रणीयाः.
तन्मे पापोत्थतापान् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मुक्तिं प्रणीयाः. देवर्षीणां पितॄणामपि न पुनर्ऋषि किङ्करो वास भूमन्.
Not Rishi, Runi.
Yeah, Rini. Sorry. देवर्षीणां पितॄणामपि न पुनर्ऋणि किङ्करो वास भूमन्. योऽसौ सर्वात्मना त्वां शरणमुपगतः सर्वकृत्यानि हित्वा. तस्योत्पन्नौ विकर्माप्यखिलमपनुदस्येव चित्तस्थितस्त्वम्. तन्मे पापोत्थतापान् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि भक्तिं प्रणीयाः. सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द.
So such a lovely verse this is. Devarshinam, Shashti Vibhakti, of Devarshis. Pitrunam, of Pitaras. Punaha, and again, Runi, Kinkaraha of servant. Na Sabhuman. He will not be Rini. Rini means to have debt. We have got some debt. Pitrurun we have Devarun, Devarshirun, we have got Bhutarun, Manusharun, we have got some 5 runas. Okay. So this first line says, all these runas are dead. We have to, offer something to get rid of the runas. Yaha asau, who in this sarvatmana tvam sharanam, who is with all his heart sharana to you, surrendered to you, upagataha, taken upagataha sharanam upagataha sarva krutyani hitva, all the actions are hitva, you take it away, and from those actions tasya utpanna, whatever is rising from what, vikarma api, even some bad actions also, akhilam, all of that, apanudasi eva. See the sandhi? Vikarma, api, akhilam. Ma has gone. Baki is a. Pa, nu, the, si. And then eva. So there is that yan sandhi. Apanudasi eva. Apanudasi, taking it away, to destroy away. And then chittasthitaha tvam. You are staying in the heart. Such a person means one who is devoted to the Lord with Sarvatmana, who has taken Sharanam in the Lord. Lord takes care of that bhakta, and Vikarma also Lord washes off staying in that devotee's heart. But we are not taking Sharana in the Lord fully. We are part-time Sharanas. We have to convert ourselves to full-time Sharanas. Once we have offered fully for ourselves to the Lord, Lord takes care of the even vikarma that is being done, and He destroys apanudasi, all those papas which arise from our bad action, because we are His now favorite devotee. To be somebody's favorite, we know, no, if we have any of our son, daughter, grandchild favorite, what they are doing to us, we know who becomes our favorite. Who listens to us? Who doesn't get back on us? Who obeys us? Who talks very nicely to us? These become very favorite kids for us, correct? The one rebellious child, my God, will say, what a headache. He's, you go and do what you want. Lord also same. You come, you obey to Lord, you do whatever Lord has said. Lord is come in form of Vedas, Shastras, you are doing all Shastra Vihita actions. Will become people. So, now such, he will stay in his heart, Chittasthita hatvam apanudasi. So Lord will remain in such a bhakta's heart who is sarvatmanatvam sharanam upagataha, who has gone and taken refuge in the Lord completely, who has surrendered. Lord stays in that person's heart, and vikarma api sakalam apanudasi. Now last line, tanme, that me papotha tapan, the tapa, the sorrow of my own papas, done by my own sinful actions. O Pavana Purapate, O Guruvairappa, Prundhi, remove there, and Bhaktim Praniyaha. Praniya Bhaktim, give me bhakti in you. This needs to be asked. Have we asked ever in life? Lord, give me bhakti to you. Have anybody has asked ever yourself? Give me bhakti to. We get angry on Lord if we will get one small problem in life. We feel Lord is not listening. Oh, He is listening. He will never let His bhaktas down. And we therefore ask more bhakti only to Him. Let my bhakti not shake with the calamities that we see on. Because I know you are always going to do something right. I may not see this vision at the moment. Let me see what you are. I need not know. I just need to notice that you are hearing me. You are protecting me. Oh Lord, just give me bhakti to you. Let my bhakti to you not shake. Pavana Parapate, Papothan Tapan Rindhi. My sorrows you remove. And Bhaktim Praniyaha. Install bhakti into me. Devarshīnām pitrūnām apina punarni kinkaro vasa bhuman योऽसौ सर्वात्मना त्वां शरणमुपगतः सर्वकृत्यानि हेत्वा तस्योत्पन्नौ विकर्माप्यखिलमपनुदस्येव चित्तस्थितस्त्वम् तन्मे पापोत्थतापान् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि भक्तिं प्रणीया सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With his immense kripa, we have completed this beautiful dashakam. We go ahead without pausing. Gayatri ji, your chants. Kids have not joined, right?
Varsha ji, they have joined. Just want to let you know. They are here. I see Anika.
Let me see. Rajanika, have you raised your hand? And we can I'll just go in. Okay. Okay, Lakshmi ji's name, what is? Normally kids will write and I got it. Gayatri ji, I'll call you in a while. You have to have your turn still. You will get it, don't worry. Hari Om. What happened, Anika? You had some class?
Yes.
Your brothers are going to join?
Anish is joining.
Okay. Arjun is still in class?
No. Yes.
Okay. So now let's get into 93rd Dashakam. Panchavimshetehe Gurubhyaha Shikshaniyasya Varnanam. So Panchavimshati, 25 gurus. What are they teaching? So from different things in life, we can learn different things, and that description is going to come now. Okay, Sweetu, ready? Who's chanting first? Anish is chanting first. Okay, come. Finished your Sandhya Vandan?
Yes.
बन्धुस्नेहं विजह्यान्तव हि करुणया त्वय्युपावेशितात्मा
बन्धुस्नेहं विजह्यान्तव हि करुणया त्वय्युपावेशितात्मा
सर्वं त्यक्त्वा चरेयं सकलमपि जगद्वीक्षमायाविलासम्
सर्वं त्यक्त्वा चरेयं सकलमपि जगद्वीक्षमायाविलासम्
नानात्वाद्भ्रान्तिजन्यात् सति खलु गुणदोषावबोधे विधिर्वा
नानात्वाद्भ्रान्तिजन्यात् सति खलु गुणदोषावबोधे विधिर्वा
व्यासेधो वा कथन्तौ त्वयि निहितमतेर्वीतवैषम्य बुद्धेः
व्यासेधो वा कथन्तौ त्वयि निहितमतेर्वीतवैषम्यबुद्धेः बन्धुस्नेहं विजह्यान्तव हि करुणया त्वय्युपावेशितात्मा सर्वं त्यक्त्वा चरेयं सकलमपि जगद्वीक्ष्यमायाविलासम् नानात्वाद्भ्रान्तिजन्यात् सति खलु गुणदोषावबोधे विधिर्वा व्यासेधो वा कथन्तौ त्वयि निहितमतेर्वीतवैषम्यबुद्धेः
So, bandhu sneham vijaya. First thing only. And over here we have got only attachments to our family. And here it is saying bandhu sneham jaiha. May I give up my attachment with my family. Bandhu sneha vijaya. Give up the attachment. Tavahi karunaya. Third case. Tritiya vibhakti. By your karuna, by your krupa, it will happen. Tvai upaveshita atma. my atma, my mind may be tvai, in you, upaveshita, in you, let it melt. Let my mind be on you. Let there be no other thing of attraction for me. May my mind reside at your feet, on you, or melt in you, absorb in you. Sarvam tyaktva. Renouncing everything. Chareyam. I will roam. Sakalam api. Everywhere. Jagad Viksha. Seeing the world. Maya Vilasam. And realizing that this is Maya. Nanatvat. Different plural things. Bhranti Janyat. Because of Bhranti, because of ignorance, because of misunderstanding, the plurality is seen. Sati khalu guna dosha avabodhe vidhirva. So, seeing that duality, guna and dosha, good and bad, I will understand what it is. Or vidhirva, vyasadhevaha. Vidhi means something that has to be done. Vyasadhe means something which is not to be done. Katha va kathantvau. So, how it is to be understood? Tvai nihita matehe. When the mind is nihita mati, my mind, mati, mind, nihita is tvai, in you. Vita vaishamya buddhehe. Vitaraga, we have seen this phrase, Vitaraga. So there is no Vaishamya buddhi, duality buddhi, this Vishama buddhi. Means Ekatva bhav will come. Those whose mind is absorbed in you, they will see oneness. They will see you only everywhere. But when we are not absorbed in the Lord, we will see the duality in the world, plurality in the world we will see. And then, because of that plurality, we will say this is good and this is bad. But if we have one buddhi, then everything is Lord, then how we will call this is bad? There are no two things, good and bad. Then everything is Lord. So you will free me from this Vaishamya buddhi that I will not see good and bad. I will see everything you only. So everything is divine only. My understanding is changing. So let me have this is the first verse. And it is coming only by His grace. This Ekatva Bhava, Sarvatma Ekatva Bhava is coming by His grace. But we should crave for that. We don't even know that we must have this and we are having plural buddhi. This is not right. This also knowledge is not there. No? This much ignorance we are there, right? How can it be possible? So scripture is telling, but how can I leave my family? It's all dependent on me. We will say, it is all in the understanding. That much once we will get into that bhav, probably we will see what we are missing out. So that much we will have to pray. That means we have to intensify the faith and intensify our sadhana. Bandhu sneham vijayantavahi karunaya tvayupaveshitatma sarvam tyaktva chareyam sakalamapi jagat ikshamaya vilasam nanatvat bhranti janyat sati khalu gunadoshavabodhe vidhirva व्यासेधो वा कथन्तौ त्वयि निहितमतेर्वीतवैषम्यबुद्धेः. Sweet too. Come. क्षुतृष्णालोपमात्रे सततकृतधियो जन्तवः सन्त्यनन्ताः.
क्षुतृष्णालोपमात्रे सततकृतधियो जन्तवः सन्त्यनन्ताः.
तेभ्यो विज्ञानवत्वात् पुरुषैः वरस्तज्जनिर्दुर्लभैव.
तेभ्यो विज्ञानवत्वात् पुरुषैव इह वरस्तज्जनिर्दुर्लभैव.
तत्राप्यात्मात्मनः स्यात् सुहृदपि च रिपुर्यस्त्वयि न्यस्तचेताः
तत्राप्यात्मात्मनः स्यात् सुहृदपि च रिपुर्यस्त्वयि न्यस्तचेताः
Excellent. तापोच्छित्तेरुपायं स्मरति स हि सुहृत् स्वात्मवैरी ततोऽन्यः
तापोच्छित्तेरुपायं स्मरति स हि सुहृत् स्वात्मवैरी ततोऽन्यः चित्तृष्णालोपमात्रे सततकृतधियो जन्तवः सन्त्यनन्ताः तेभ्यो विज्ञानवत्वात् पुरुषैरवरः सज्जनिर्दुर्लभैव तत्राप्यात्मात्मनः स्यात् सुहृदपि च रिपुर्यस्त्वयि न्यस्तचेताः तापोच्छित्तेरुपायं स्मरति स हि सुहृत् स्वात्मवैरी ततोऽन्यः.
Arjun is there? He can? No, he won't come, right? Thank you. I was missing both of you. Good, you all joined. Otherwise, it is a big loss if you all are not there in the class. Okay, I'm searching your name again so that. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Truth, hunger. Trishna, lopamatre. So hunger and thirst should go. Satata krita dhiyaha. So those who are thinking satatam always, dhiyaha with their mind, that their hunger and thirst should go. Jantavaha, those santi anantaha. Anantaha santi jantavaha. There are many jantavas. There are many creatures who think the prime thing is their hunger and thirst. So many creatures. A mosquito comes and sits and sucks our blood. The lion in the forest also goes and hunt. The birds are feeding in the nest, their kids. Everybody is engaged in what? Feeding, eating. So whatever is, the living is for eating. Correct. Everybody is engaged into that, all creatures. Tebhyaha, in that, in all this anantaha creature, there are infinite creatures who think in this trup lopa matre, how to satisfy hunger and thirst. Anantaha jantavaha santi. Okay, first line. Second line. Tebhyaha, amongst that, amongst all these anantaha jantavaha who are thinking of this trup lopa matra, vijnanavatvat, because of the vijnana, because of this knowledge, Purusha iha, this man over here, Varaha is superior by Tajjanihi Durlabhaiva. And to get that man's life, Tajjani, to be born as a man, as a human being, man means, in one of the talks which I did recently, I just cracked some joke on women's cooking. My wife's cooking is incredible, where CR is silent. So it became inedible. So it offended one of the ladies. And the jokes can also be not like this, no? Why? Even men can cook and all like that and all. I got one feedback. I could only laugh. It offended that why your wife only has to cook and why wife's cooking is said as inedible. Okay, not incredible. Why CR was put. So over here now, then I said, okay, our granthas are also saying that man has to be like this, Purusha. That means what? Women are not supposed to learn now what? No, it is both. It is just said in that way. Then we say, oh God. Then why don't we say, oh Goddess? My God has to be Sometimes you laugh at this because Atma has no male or female or anything. It's beyond the gender, but that, so one cannot take a joke on one's gender also. I found it very funny. So now, the Purusha iha Varaha, the man is Varaha. I translated in that way. So it is woman also Varaha. I remember that. Unless I would, of course, in our Narayaniya, we don't have, I hope it's such a strong feminism thing. God alone knows. Okay, so Purusha iha Varaha, that man is, that human, let us call human, is Varaha. And Tat Janihi, to get birth as a man, to get birth as a human. That whenever I'm going to use the word man, now I'm going to remember that wife's thing is, I said, inedible, incredible here. Durlabhaha. So it is rare over there. Okay. Then, Tatrapi, in that also, Tatra api, Atmatmanaha. Atmatmanaha syat surutapi. The one Atma, Atmatmanaha syat surutapi. Being one's own friend and Ripuhu yaha, and also enemy. Tvai nyasta chetaha. Who is absorbed in you. Okay. That person. Tapo chittehe upayam. Tapo chittehe upayam. It is a upayam whose mind is rested on you. That is a upayam to remove the papa or tapa. Tapa. And who can think of you? Smarati saha surut swatma. He is his own friend. Vairi tataha anyaha. Who is not thinking of the Lord is Vairi, his own enemy. So does anybody get any verse from Gita? Anywhere?
Yes, chapter 6, Uddhared
Correct.
Atmanatmanam.
Yes. Uddhared Atmanatmanam. So chapter 6, verse number what? 5.
5, I think. 5.
So,
Varshaji, even in chapter 9, isn't it? Doesn't he say Striyo Vaishyas Tatha Shudraha? Even that word Striyo, when they say there's been so much of controversy.
yeah, it is being said. Say, and man must do and the lady. No, then what about so many our women, what to say, Rishi wives who are so educated? What, even Shankaracharya, when he is arguing with Mandan Mishra, he made judge what? Mandan Mishra's wife only, right? How she can become a judge when Shankaracharya is debating? Means she must be having what kind of knowledge to know about the right and the wrong of what they are debating? I never get into this feminism thing. It's so irrelevant to even compare. How can? Well, let's not get into it. Okay. So the point over here is everybody is up to feeding their tummy. Everybody does that, and there are innumerable creatures who are doing. This much is clear. It is only a human has this discrimination power, viveka buddhi, of what is sat and asat. So the one who is having the viveka buddhi, he is resting his mind on the Lord. That person is rare. So to get a birth as a human is rare. And in that rare birth, to rest the mind on the Lord is rare. And whoever so rests the mind on the Lord, his tapaha shaya, this is the upayam. This is the prescription. This is the medicine to reduce the tapa. And one who does so, his mind resting on the Lord, he is his own mind's friend. But whose mind is not resting on the Lord, that person is his own enemy. That mind is his own enemy. So nobody, enemy or friend outside. It is our own mind is friend or enemy of us. If we are wanting Lord, it's good for us. Otherwise, it's a long cut. We'll have to go through a few more lives, and the route to happiness is going to be through Lord only. So whether this life or next life or innumerable life, that we'll have to decide. Scriptures are again and time again saying that human janma is rare. Now that we know we are in human janma, would we like to waste this rare opportunity is the question. What we have got, that itself is a bhagya. So now why not rest that mind on the Lord? Why go behind sense organs? Why? There is something more than filling the stomach, right? Why the mind is not engaging over there? So let this not be there. Let me not be my own enemy. Let me be friend of myself. Okay. क्षुत्तृष्णालोपमात्रे सततकृतधियो जन्तवः सन्त्यनन्ताः तेभ्यो विज्ञानवत्वात् पुरुषैः वरस्तब्जनिर्दुर्लभैव तत्राप्यात्मात्मनः स्यात् सुहृदपि च रिपुर्यस्त्वन्यस्तचेताः तापोच्छित्तेरुपायं स्मरति स हि स्वात्मवैरी ततोऽन्यः. Gayatri Ma. Oh, Indraji has also raised hand. Okay, we'll squeeze one more verse in. Let us see. त्वत्कारुण्ये प्रवृत्ते कैव न हि गुरुर्लोकवृत्तेऽपि भूमन्.
त्वत्कारुण्ये प्रवृत्ते कैव न हि गुरुर्लोकवृत्तेऽपि भूमन्.
Why भूमन्? भूमन्. Prana.
भूमन्.
Correct. सर्वाक्रान्तापि भूमेर्न हि चलति ततस्तक्षमा शिक्षयेयम्.
सर्वाक्रान्तापि भूमिर्न हि
Not
चलति.
not bhumi, bhumi, bha.
भूमिर्न हि चलति ततस्तक्षमां शिक्षयेयम्.
Good. गृह्णीयामीश तत्तद्विषयपरिचयेऽप्यप्रसक्तिं समीरा.
गृह्णीयामि शततद्विषयपरिचयेऽप्यप्रसक्तिं समीरात्.
व्याप्तत्वञ्चात्मनो मे गगनगुरुवशाद् भातु निर्लेपता च.
व्याप्तत्वञ्चात्मनो मे गगन गुरुवशाद् भातु निर्लोपता च. त्वत्कारुण्ये प्रवृत्ते कैव न हि गुरुर्लोकवृत्तेऽपि भूमन्. सर्वाक्रान्तापि भूमिर्न हि चलति ततः सत्क्षमां शिक्षयेयम्. गृह्णीयामीश प्रसक्तिं समीरा.
व्याप्तत्वञ्चात्मनो मे
व्याप्तत्वञ्चात्मनो मे गगनगुरुवशाद् पातु निर्लोपता च.
Good. Thank you. Good. Yes, you must volunteer. Then only that practice will happen. Good. Okay. So now, Tvatkarunye Pravritte. So when this Saptami comes like this with two consecutive, it's called Sati Saptami. When this happens, then this. So Tvatkarunye Pravritte. When your Karuna is Pravritta, means when your compassion is when your compassion is descending, ka iva, who will not, nahi, guru, who will not be the teacher, loka vritte api bhuman, o all pervading one. When your karuna is descending, then in this loka, in this universe, who will not be the teacher? So now in the 3 lines, 3 examples are given that who can be teacher in which way. Sarvakranta api. Sarvakranta, akranta is to attack. Sarvakranta is attack from all sides. On what? On bhumi, on earth. Nahi chalati. She doesn't get perturbed. You are digging this road, this construction all over the world. What kind of construction is happening? What kind of digging is happening? What roads are? How much on the earth it is? What all is happening? Earth is unmoved by it. So many kinds of war is happening. What all trenches and what all hideouts are there? Everybody's nuclear weapons are kept deep down in Earth's belly. God alone knows how many floors down, hiding. So, but all that has reached there by digging the earth only, right? So, Sarvakranta, we just imagine on that poor earth, attacks on all sides by so many various Ananta times. So, therefore, taha sat kshama shikshayema. So, that kshama, that forbearance, I will or I can learn from earth. Kshama, that forbearance from earth. Who is na chalati, who is not getting perturbed by what all attacks are happening. So, let me be having that forbearance. Grinhiyam Isha. Isha, O Lord, Grinhiyam. Let me catch from what? Tad vishaya parichaye api aprasakti. Aprasakti is not attached. Why what? Tad vishaya parichaya. So many objects are there, right? To every object the wind is touching. Just look around your room. Where there is no wind. Wind is everywhere. It is touching every object. But it is not getting attached. Samirat by that wind. So he is not getting attached. So let me learn that from the wind, that there will be so many objects and I would not get attached to it. Wind is not attached to any objects. Now everywhere it is flowing. It passes in and out through anything and everything and all the objects. What we have seen and what we have not seen on this earth, wind is there and he is not attached to it. Let me learn from the wind to see how not to be attached to the objects even if you are exposed to it. Third line over. Line wise, last line, third example. Vyaptatva chatmano. Now, Vyapta means all pervasive. Atma, all pervasive. And like that, Gagana Guru Vashat. The sky has become, and even if he is all pervading, anything is touching him. Nirlepata. All the vastus are sitting in the space only, right? Just look around wherever you are sitting. But is it affecting the Akasha? Your lamp is lit, your fan is on, so many things are on. Is it getting, Akasha, is it getting affected with the heat or cold or fire or water or what? Nirlepata. So let me also, like Akasha, be nirlepa, not get affected, being in everything. Being in everything and yet not getting it. So, like Padma Patram Ivam Bhasa, again our Gita comes, like a lotus leaf in water. Tvatkarunye pravritte kaiva nahi gur lokavritte bhuman sarvakranta bhumir nahi chalati tata sakshamam shikshayem. Shikshayeyam. गृह्णीयामीश तत्तद्विषयपरिचयेऽप्यप्रसक्तिं समीरात् व्याप्तत्वं चात्मनो मे गगनगुरुवशात् हातु निर्लेपता च. How much time? We have 5 minutes, but I see Indiraji's hand, so I'll just squeeze in one more verse. Number 4. स्वच्छस्यां पावनोऽहं मधुरौदकवत् वह्नि वन्मास्म गृह्णाम्.
स्वच्छक्ष्यां पवनहं मधुरयुधकवत् वह्नि वन्मास्म गृह्णाम्.
सर्वान्नीनोऽपि दोषं हरुषुतमिव मां सर्वभूतेष्ववेया.
सर्वानीनोऽपि दोषं तरुषुतमिव मां सर्वभूतेष्वेयम्.
पुष्टिर्नष्टिः कलानां शशिनैव तनोर्नात्मनोऽस्तीति विद्या. Am I there?
पुष्टिर्नष्टिः कलानां पुष्टिर्नष्टिः कलानां शशिन इव तनोः नात्मनोऽस्तीति विद्याम्.
ओ या दिव्यस्तमार्ताण्डवदपि च तनुष्वेकतां त्वत्प्रसादात्.
तोया दिव्यास्तमार्तान् धवदपि च तनुष्वेकतां त्वत्प्रसादात्. स्वचक्षां भवनहं मधुरौदकवत् वह्नि वन्मास्म गृह्णाम्. सर्वानीनोऽपि दोषं तरुषुतमिव मां सर्वभूतेष्वेयाम्. पुष्टिर्नास्ते कलानां शशिन इव तनोः नात्मनोऽस्तीति विद्याम्. तोया दिव्यास्तमार्तान् धवदपि च तनुष्वेकतां त्वत्प्रसादात्. So that's
No, it's not. Not finished. We have 2 minutes. Hopefully, we can do justice to the verse. Just borrow 5 minutes in Devi Gita. Swachhasyam pavanaha aham. Pavana is purified. Swachha is pure. Madhura is sweet. All these adjectives are coming for what? Udakavat, like water. So, like water, let me be purifying. Let me be pure. Let me be sweet, like water. Then the other half, vanhivat, like fire, masma grinham. Sarvaninopi dosham tarushu. So, masma grinham. Let me not take, like fire, let me not take what? Let me not take what? Dosham. Where it is dosham? In the second line. After sarvan ninnopi dosham. Let me not take the dosham like fire. And sarvan ninnopi. Fire consumes everything, right? Sarvan ninnopi. So fire is consuming everything, but it is not taking anybody. Everything is taken in. So, tarushu tam eva. Taru is a tree. But tarushu means in that fire in that wood is there, right? So like that, ma sarva bhuteshu aveyam. May I see like that myself in everything. Fire in the wood is not seen. Fire consumes everything, good or bad. So let me not get affected by any doshas. And let me see myself in everything. And how? Pushtihi, nashtihi, iva. How? Kalanam shashina iva. Shashina, moon. Moon is becoming big and moon is becoming small. We call it waning and waxing. Pushtihi, nashtihi. It's becoming pushta, it's becoming nashta. But is it the moon? So like that, tanoho na atmanam asti iti vidyam. So like that, iti vidyam, may I know that it is not the body that is. It is not that self. It is only on the body that pushti and nashta is happening. Atma is like that only. So the example of the moon is given. Moon, we see it's becoming big and small, but is actually moon becoming big and small? Like that body is coming into a life, nurturing and going. Is Atma coming and going in life or becoming big and nourished and becoming small? Atma is unaffected. Let me be like that. Then, Toya Divya Martandavat. Martandavat, like sun. Toya Divya. So the sun, Tanushu Ekatam Tvat Prasadat. Tvat Prasadat, by your grace, Guru Vairappa, Ekatam. The Ekatam, that oneness. Let me know. How? Martandavat Toya Divya. So if there are reflections seen in water of the sun, is the sun multiplying? It is only the reflection. So if I've got 100 buckets and 100 suns are reflected, has the sun multiplied? It is that same sun into all the 100 buckets. So that ekatva buddhi may I get through you. Tanushu ekatam. In all the bodies that you are the one, let me see. Means what? I am over here and I am seeing so many in the Narayaniam class, so many bodies. So that means what? So many Atmas. No. Let me have that vision of oneness. Like sun is reflecting into many parts, but sun is not multiplying. That Tanushu Ekata, mean all the bodies, let me see oneness. Tvat prasadat, by your grace. Swachhasyam pavanoham madhuraudakavat vanhi vanmam smagrinham sarvanminopi doshan tarushutamivamam mam sarvabhuteshvaveryam pushtirnashtih kalanam shashinaiva tanor natmanosthiti vidya Toya divyastamaartandavadapi च तनुष्वेकतान्त्वत् प्रसादात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम सङ्कीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवं नमस्ते ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु everyone. With his grace, we have completed 4 verses today. Let's see what is happening. We are taking 4 from here and we are entering into next 4. So that thing we have broken. Otherwise, we would have finished that one, the shaka, like, as in its entirety. But let's subject to Lord's will. We'll continue with that. And then we'll catch up with the next in tomorrow's session. We'll complete this and then we'll jump into the next session. Of 94, we are inching towards 100. So may our focus be on Lord. Such lovely verses we have read, what to ask from the Lord. May we have immense bhakti and may He only lead us towards Him and may we have no desire for any other thing but Him. We'll join for Daily Gita. Thank you everyone for joining. Hari Om.
Thank you. Thank you,
Hari
Varshaji.
Om. Thank you,
Hari Om.
Varshaji.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari
No.
Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varshaji. Thank you so much, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Sahana, come tomorrow to chant. I need you. I need to see you to chanting. Come prepared, Sahana. I'm so happy to see you here. But we want that volunteer. I'm missing your chanting. Hari Om, everyone.